ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Madilim na kahapon.
Lahat para sa isang doxology na
Magandang hapon, provincial government employees and least populated province, Batanes. At kay Congresswoman Dina Abad, gawan, totally or severely damaged. And of course, as well as adherence to government.
maraming salamat po, Governor.
Makatulong sila sa rehabilitation. Seemed like 100 years given the many challenges that we had to face. No?
Anthony Balbin, Crescencia Gabilo, Kathy Las.
Kindly sit down. Yun ho talaga yung may sabi kung may pera o wala. Wala man ako nakitang maganda. The wind that's halos buwan-buwan. Ngayon, mabuti magprangkahan na lang tayo sa problema natin. Bibilang sila ng 3,000 ng patay. Kaya nilagyan ko yung ulo nila at hour for the public to text. Diretso na sa basta yan. I do not allow in the cabinet for the national government.
Maraming salamat po. Muli ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Ikaw ang
That's the President together